Nothing yet, kids, but don't worry, I'll keep watching. In the meantime, there are other ways to keep track of Santa Claus that are easier, faster, and less sooty, and they're way cooler. If you're on your home computer, you can visit norandsanta.org. Now, these guys follow St. Nick from the moment he leaves the North Pole. They must have some pretty fast helicopters or something because they follow Santa around the world using Google Earth. You can see some of the world's most famous places as he flies by, and you can even make out Rudolph's red nose leading the way. Wow! Plus, they'll take you inside NORAD headquarters for a behind-the-scenes look at how they use radar to keep track of him. There's even a Santa Cam YouTube channel, and sometimes people post pictures and video of Santa in their neighborhood. You'll be able to do the same thing on a smartphone if you have the Google Maps app. And even old Santa Claus has a Facebook page at facebook.com/Santa Claus. Now, how cool would it be to get a personal message from Santa Claus? Now, your parents have to give the okay by going to a website called sendacallfromsanta.com. It's a brand new Christmas wish thanks to the folks at Gmail. Your parents will fill out a few boxes just to let Santa Claus know he has their permission, and you'll get either an audio message or video. And trust me, he knows exactly where you live and what you want for Christmas and whether you've been good. Oh, and there's one more thing. The folks on Twitter are keeping a close eye on the man in red. Follow the hashtag Santa on Christmas Eve and you'll hear from people who've seen him stop by their house. So you see, kids, there's no reason to keep mom and dad looking up the chimney. All right, keeping you plugged in, I'm Jamie Tucker. Come on, where are you?